Yes, good morning, student. Now, today I am going to teach you web application and security part 6. Okay, now, student, class 10, subject information technology, code 402, web application and security part B, unit 1, part 6. Okay, now today I am going to discuss the such type of topic like a online transactions. Online transaction, what is the online transaction? In the under the online transaction, e-commerce, and we will discuss the retail, wholesale, drop shipping, crowdfunding, physical product, digital product, services, and next topic e-shopping. And in e-shopping we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of the e-shopping. And next is the e-reservation and what is the advantages of the e-reservation. Now today I am going to start the online transaction. Now student, e-commerce, what is the e-commerce? E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. E-commerce is the method of the buying or the selling goods and services over the internet through the website electronically. Okay. Now what is the e-commerce? Now student, I am going to repeat again. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. And e-commerce is the method of the buying or the selling goods and the services over the internet through a website electronically. E-commerce is the often used to refer to the sale of the physical product online, but it can also describe any kind of commercial transaction that is facilitated through the internet. Okay. Now student, I am going to discuss about that some word that will be used in the e-commerce that I am going to discuss. Here is the retail. What do you mean by the retail? The sale of the product by business is directly available to a customer without any intermediary. Without any intermediary is known as the retail. Now wholesale. What is the wholesale? The sale of the product in the bulk, often to a retailer that then sells them directly to consumers, is known as the wholesale. And drop shipping, the sale of a product which is manufactured and shipped to the consumer by a third party like e-commerce merchant like Amazon, Flipkart, like this. This is known as the drop shipping. Now crowdfunding. What is the crowdfunding? The collection of the money from the customer in advance of a product being available in order to raise the startup capital necessary to bring it to the market is known as the crowdfunding. Now next is the physical product. What do you mean by the physical product? Any goods that required inventory to be replaced in order to be physically shipped to the customer as sales are made is known as the physical product. Now next is the digital product. What is the digital product? Provides a huge platform for downloadable digital goods, e-books, templates, and the online courses are the media that must be purchased for consumption or the license for use. This is known as the digital product. Next is the services. A skill or a set of the skill provided in the exchange of compensation. The service provider's time can be purchased for a fee is known as the services. So these terms used in the e-commerce like retail, wholesale, drop shipping, crowdfunding, physical product, digital product, and the services. Okay. Now student, next I am going to discuss about the e-shopping. What is the e-shopping? Now e-shopping is the collection. E-shopping is also called the online shopping. Okay. Online shopping is the form of electronic commerce which allow consumer to directly buy goods or the services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. The purchase occurs using credit card, debit card, online payment system, or cash on delivery. COD. COD stands for the cash on delivery. Is known as the e-shopping. Now I am going to discuss the advantages of the e-shopping. What are the advantages of the e-shopping? First of all, I am going to discuss the some example. Here are the some example of the e-shoppings, like e-shopping websites: Amazon.in, Flipkart, eBay, Jabang, Home Shop 18, Snapdeal, Mantra, like these. These are the example of e-shopping. Now advantages of the e-shopping. First advantage is the convenience of the online shopping. Convenience of the online shopping means the customer can purchase item from the comfort of their own home or the workplace. Okay, first. Now second is the better price and more variety. Yes, definitely cheap deal and the better prices are available online. Next, online shopping saves the time and money. Definitely customer don't have to stand in the queue in cash counter or don't need to travel. Next, product comparison. Customer can compare same product in the different online stores. Next advantage is availability of the online shop. The online mall is open on 365 into 24 into 7. Means the whole year 365 days, 24 hours, 7 days. You can send gift for more easily. Sending gifts to relatives and the friend in easy, no matter where they are, like birthday, wedding, anniversaries, Valentine days, Mother's days, Father days, and so forth. And online tracking. Last advantage is the online tracking. Consumer can track online the order status and delivery status. Now next topic is I am going to discuss about the disadvantages of the e-shopping. What is the disadvantage? Now first is the shipping problem and the delay in delivery. Yes, maybe that will be the delay, delivery time, that will be the delay. Okay. Next, the lack of significant discount in online shop. Next disadvantages, risk of the online fraud. Online fraud. Yes, if you are the shopping online, there is a larger risk of fraud. Credit card scams, phishing, hacking, identity theft, counterfeit product, bugs, website, and other scams are common. Lack of the next disadvantage, lack of the interactivity in online shopping. Physical stores are allowed price negotiation between the buyers and the sellers, but in the online shopping, you may lack such experience. Next, the return can be complicated. Some sellers have the difficult return policies. Now, last disadvantage is the no support for the local retailers. No support for the local retailers. These are the advantages and the disadvantages of the e-shopping. Okay, so such type of the question may be come in your examination. Explain e-shopping with any 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages. Regularly come in your examination. Okay. Now next I am going to discuss about the e-reservation. What is the e-reservation? E-ticketing or the e-reservation is the facility over the internet where you can book your ticket to travel anywhere at the any time in the world. E-reservation is the applicable into many areas like travel tickets, hotel, movies, entertainment, sports, etc. Here are the some popular e-ticketing websites. E-ticketing websites are like